Where's the food trick?
The food tray.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh.
Don't worry.
You know that's actually from Korea.
This one?
You know my 3-tier food tray.
Okay. Can you drive?
My knee is driving right now
Okay.
because I'm eaten up by mosquitoes on my cat.
It will be okay. Just don't scratch often.
I have some noni at home. That
Okay.
helps with that.
Okay.
Can I try? I have
Try
a
what?
high alcohol tolerance.
Hmm.
I could probably drink 3 bottles of soju and be okay. Except for the red label, that shit fucked me up.
Okay.
It kind of hit me by surprise too. I was like, what is going on? And my parents like found me passed out on the floor downstairs.
Yeah.
And my parents were like, Hetty, what the fuck? You never do that. And I was like, I don't even know. Like, it was a surprise to me too. So the red label, the original,
Mm-hmm.
I gotta be careful with that one. That one's like after 2.
Yep.
Oops, I need to be in this lane.
By the way, can you drive? Because you drank beer a little bit.
1 beer.
Yeah.
That's
I'm
okay.
still, yeah. What if you get caught with the drug test? I mean, alcohol test.
No, I wouldn't.
Okay.
I got autopilot.